Hey, what's up? This is Windy City MDX, and today I'll be demonstrating the installation of KTunerFlash V1 for my 2012 Acura MDX Advance. So I purchased the KTunerFlash V1 a couple years ago from a local exhaust fabrication shop that many people might know as RV6 Performance. So a huge thanks to KTuner and RV6. I do want to mention that I am not sponsored by them, and I spent my own money to purchase the KTunerFlash V1. I wasn't really looking to compete in grid life, against Team HMA or anything. All I was looking for was to whoop some minivans.
Stop it!
Okay, well, stock minivans.
Oh yeah!
Alright, let's get started and install the KTunerFlash V1. So the installation should be the same without navigation, but don't quote me on that. So let's begin by turning the key to the on position so all of the vehicle electronics are turned on. Congratulations, that was the most difficult setup. I have the KTuner software and KTuner V1 already connected to the MDX. So let's do retry. Alright, so as you can see right now, it changed from connected to logging, so now I am indeed connected to my MDX. So, what you want to do first is to click on New Tune, because right now I'm at the factory map settings. I have a 2012 MDX, it's right here, this J37. It's going to show me everything that's available. So in my case, I select this. So this will tell me what maps are available. So I have the factory base calibration here, and I have Tune 1. So this Tune 1 is for an MDX supporting up to hardware upgrades of high flow pre-cats or pre-cat deletes, and a J-pipe and an exhaust. So this is the one I'm going to go with. My MDX has none of this, so I'm not going to be reaping all the benefits of having this tune.
Excellent!
So I'm going to click next. Oh, this dashboard completely changed. You can see the mapping here. So now that the new tune is loaded, I want to go to tuning and upload tune. So from here, as soon as I click this, a bunch of error lights are going to come up on my dash. Are you sure?
I'll do what I want!
Click yes. So now that the ECU is erased, all these errors are going to start popping up, and these errors will show up in my navigation as well. Alright, reflashing is done. Alright, so now I'm going to turn the vehicle off, and I'm going to remove the key for a few minutes, and then we'll turn the car back on to complete the process. Let me know if you liked this video or if it helped you at all. Leave a like and comment, and I'd appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification button for new videos. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at WindyCity_MDX. Thanks again to KTuner and RV6 Performance. I also want to thank Team HMA for letting me use some of their video footage.